What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to go over 4 things that broke on my car all at the same time. Most of them have to do with the AC, pretty much all of them. I'm at 184,000 miles, so you can probably expect this if you're close to this mileage. I'll show you guys how to fix everything too. But first off, I do want to get started. We're almost at 750 subs, so we can finally do our 750 subs giveaway. I'm going to be partnering up with We Are Likewise, and I'm going to let you guys choose whatever shifter you want from We Are Likewise. I believe they go up to like $100 in value. So you guys can pick whichever one you want, and then I'm going to ship that to you. So pretty much it's really easy to enter. All you're going to do is you're going to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to drop a like on the video too. That really helps out. Subscribe to the channel. Take a screenshot that you're subscribed, and then you're going to go to Instagram. Follow me, staticspeed.tm. You're going to send me that screenshot that you're subscribed, and that's it. Completely free to enter. $100 giveaway. So I think you guys are really going to like what they have. I'll show some of the options here that they have for the shifters, and I'm pretty sure any of them will look good on whatever kind of car you have. Even if you have an auto, as long as it doesn't have like the button on the shifter, you should be good. So these are the shifters you guys get to choose from. You can pick any one you want. Once you give me an entry, I'm going to send you what number you are, and then I'm going to do a random number generator on Instagram Live. That way everything's all fair and determine the winner. The giveaway will close 48 hours after I hit 750 subs, so make sure you subscribe and get in. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. Show you guys exactly what's going on with the car and why the AC is not working right now. Alright, number one thing that went out, Schrader valves. You got one right there on the high side, and you got one there on the low side. One of them was leaking, so I went ahead and just replaced both of them. So that was leaking out all the Freon. It was causing the compressor to cut in and out and in and out. But now the compressor is not turning on at all. If you can see right down there, there's the compressor clutch. I'll start up the car. You can see that it doesn't spin when I have the AC on, just the pulley spins. So most likely the coil that pulls that clutch in there is gone, just because it's got such high mileage. I went ahead and got a compressor from Rock Auto for like $180. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Also show you the blower motor stopped working too. So it was cutting in and out, but I've just kind of been, slapping it under the dashboard. I'll show you guys how to change out the blower motor too, and my cabin air filter also completely disappeared. I have no idea how that happened, but the cabin air filter literally just up and left. I don't know I don't know where it went, so I don't know if someone was messing with me and took it out of the car, but either way, we got a new filter. Everything from Rock Auto, so super cheap. I think I only spent like $200. I'm going to be able to do the blower motor, new cabin filter. Schrader valves are, pretty much negligible, and then the compressor was like $180 or whatever. So go ahead and get started for you guys, show you how it's done. I looked up the OEM remove and replace to get this out. All you got to do is take out a few 10 mils on there, unclip a couple wiring harnesses. Actually, without this core support bar here, we have a lot of room, so we just got to take off this condenser fan shroud here, and then we should have enough room to pull it out here. Just make sure you don't hit the condenser and damage it, but I'm going to go ahead and get that fan off now. Alright, condenser fan came out, literally two 10 mils, one on the top there, one on the top there, and then it just slides down into those little brackets down there. We're already making a lot of progress. I just realized I am going to have to suck out all the Freon out of here, pull a vacuum on it, so I'm going to hook up the vacuum pump to the low pressure and high pressure there, pull all the Freon out the way I don't get sprayed in the face with Freon. So yeah, going to hook that up. Alright guys, vacuum pump is set up. I just got that from Harbor Freight, by the way. That was like $50, I think. Manifold gauges were like, to be honest, I think $80. Hook it up to each side of the line there. Turn on the vacuum pump. Slightly open the ports, and then let it suck the Freon out. All right, next step, pretty much self-explanatory. You're gonna have to get the Serpentine Belt off. I had to rent this tool. This big long tool there. You can put a 14 on there. Put it on the tensioner pulley right there. You pull back on the tool, and then you'll be able to get the belt off. That way it's off the compressor. Got the belt off, and then there is a 10 mil that holds on this what is this, the low pressure hose here. 10 mil, boom, that comes off there. And then same thing down there. There's a 10 mil that takes off the high pressure line there. And then we got 4 bolts we got to take off, and we'll be able to get this compressor out of here. Alright guys, once you get those 4 bolts out, it's all done. All you got to do is repeat the process backwards. The bolts underneath, I definitely recommend jacking up the car. It looks like they are different too, not sure 100%. Make sure you got the right bolts. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and put this in now and then get everything attached back up. Alright, we got that shiny new compressor in there, hooked everything back up. I am going to go to the shop I used to work at and get it recharged real quick, and then hopefully that should work. But first we do have to put on the blower motor, so I'll show you guys exactly how that's done. Alright, so the blower motor is under your passenger dashboard here. There's just a plastic piece you just rip off. I literally just ripped it out. There's just clips that hold that in. And then there should be 3 of those Phillips bolts you take out. And then I think there's 2 wiring harnesses you unplug, and that should just come right out, easy money. Okay, that was probably the easiest thing I've replaced on this entire car. There's actually only 1 wiring harness you unplug from right there. And it literally comes right out with 3 screws. That's probably the easiest thing you can repair on this car. Honestly, nothing has been that easy, but I'm going to go ahead and put in the Rock Auto one now and see if she blows. Another quick tip for you guys, never ever buy your cabin filters from the parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Always get them from Rock Auto. You only got to wait like 2 or 3 days, and this is like a high quality charcoal filter. This would cost like 30 bucks typically at AutoZone. There's only $6 on Rock Auto, so you can't go wrong. Anyways, going to reinstall my non-existent cabin filter. The flap is gone too, so I don't know how that happened. I know that's like the first thing I replaced when I got this car, but it just evaporated either way. Boom. And woo! She's blowing. We just got to get it cold now. So this is way better than it was before. It was only blowing at like half speed, and it would like cut in and out. Temporary fix though, if you do want to just slap underneath here, it will kick it back on if it's on the way out. Guys, we just left the shop and we have ice cold AC. Literally got to wear a jacket for this. Not really, it's Florida. We got like, what? It's only 80, not bad. Average day. Sucks that it went out right at the end of summer, but it's whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys learned something about fixing AC. I know there's not a lot of videos on the Civic Si. Other than Gerb. His video, he had to take the alternator out though, so that was definitely not necessary. But anyways, got everything all fixed up. Make sure you guys enter that 750 subs giveaway. It's free to join, like I said, so make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, send me the screenshot, all that good stuff. And if you win, I'll get one of those shifters on the way for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.